Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on League of Kingdoms Arena LOKA token. And in today's video, we will take a look whether the price line will be able to break out the next resistance or not, because it is breaking out the different resistance and now reached this resistance of $3.18. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to share with you my recent trade setup that I shared with my members at the Patreon here about the LOKA token, and that was a formation of a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move that was formed on the 2-hourly time frame chart, and I was expecting up to 40% pump, and you can see it was moving at $2.38, and our buying zone was from $2.40 and goes to $2.18 as per the Fibonacci sequence of this harmonic Gartley, and our sell targets were from $2.72 and goes to $3.06. Now after playing this chart, we can see that price line from $2.38 rallied up to $5.50. That was more than 130%. Very big rally only on the 2-hourly time frame. Now if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then recently we are having a very big development on the chart, and that is that LOKA is breaking out, almost broke out this resistance of red line, that is the exponential moving average 21. Previously, when LOKA broke out here, then it used this EMA 21 as a nice support, here, as a nice support here as well. Here, by the way, we broke it down, but before that it was using it as a nice support, and we had a very nice rally. And if this time this EMA 21 won't be broken down again, like here we had a fake out and it broke it down once again, and after that we were having some rejections, but I'm expecting that this time won't be any fake out. This will be a real breakout from this EMA 21, because at the same time we have also broken out this resistance of $2.70 that was previously breaking as a support here, as a resistance here, as a resistance here, as a resistance here. And therefore now we have two supports at the same time. One is EMA 21, another one is $2.70, and the next support, next resistance is at $3.18, and it has been breaking as a resistance here, and almost as a resistance here as well. And if we take a look at this downward move, then we can see we have a trend line support here. And you can see whenever the price line is getting bounced by this, it is touching the support, it is getting bounced nicely. And we have another trend line here as well. And you can see that whenever the price line is touching this trend line, it is getting again and again rejected by this resistance. So there is also a formation of a broadening wedge, and you can see at the same time we have reached the resistance of $3.18 and also the resistance of the broadening wedge as well. So if the price line breaks out this resistance, and obviously it can break out the next resistance of $3.18 as well, and instantly it can move up to the next resistance of $3.88. So next few hours are very important for LOKA, because we have reached the resistance. We have broken out two supports here, which were previously breaking as a resistance. One is EMA 21 and the $2.70, and we have reached two more resistance levels. One is this rejection line, or this downtrend line, that is the resistance of this broadening wedge, and the resistance of $3.18. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.